10 tips for learning and teaching art. 1. Start with the basics. Begin by introducing the elements of art, the essential tools for art making. Then move on to the principles of design, ways of using the tools to create art. 2. Use visuals. Show visual examples of images that illustrate different terms, concepts, art styles, and project steps. 3. Hands-on activities. Engage in art projects that apply art concepts. 4. Explore different media. Have fun experimenting with different media. Explore using watercolors, oils, acrylics, and more. Discover your talent. 5. Encourage discussion. Ask open-ended questions about artworks, the creative process, and their meanings to promote critical thinking, analysis, and self-reflection. 6. Art history integration. Introduce different art movements and historical context to deepen understanding and appreciation of art. 7. Field trips and guest artists. Visit art museums and invite local artists to share their art, providing inspiration and real-world connections. 8. Critiques. Encourage constructive critique sessions to showcase work and receive valuable feedback. Listen actively, be mindful, and be optimistic. 9. Find inspiration. Look for inspiration in the world around you. Inspiration can come from anywhere: nature, architecture, music, and beyond. 10. Encourage personal expression. Explore personal interests and styles, promoting creativity and individuality in artwork. Let's review. The 10 tips for teaching and learning art. 1. Start with the basics. 2. Use visuals. 3. Hands-on activities. 4. Explore different media. 5. Encourage discussion. 6. Art history integration. 7. Field trips and guest artists. 8. Critiques. 9. Find inspiration. And 10. Encourage personal expression.